Hey guys, this is 600 watts of boiling water. So I am trying to build a solar shed workshop. So I'm only using solar power, batteries and stuff. And the main thing is to actually be able to cook outside or actually use power tools outside. And to do this, I basically have a car battery as well as a 100-watt solar panel. Of course, I got the one that's external, so I actually mount it on the roof of my shed. And also it's waterproof and weatherproof, so it's great, so it's easy to clean. So anyways, 100 watts. And also I got for my battery, I have an AGM battery that I had from my car, which is nice. It has about 60 watts of amp hours. And I have a 2000 watt inverter that will, is good for power tools and other stuff like that. As you can see, I actually put those brass fittings on it so that I could put a lot more stuff. And the cell on that is roughly 60 amp hours for that 12-volt battery. And there's a charge controller, a solar charge controller I should put there too. And that just connects to a simple 100-watt solar panel. Very, very simple. Once you connect all that up, let it charge a bit. And then once you turn on the inverter, you have 2000 watts peak. So I'm only planning to use roughly 1,000 to maybe 1,500, so it should be fine for occasional use of power tools or to cook ramen for what I'm doing right now. My main thing was to cook and charge my periphery devices, so in case I needed to work in my workshop, I have power, I could charge my cell phones, my battery banks, and other fun stuff, as well as USB-C. I have a fast charger for that for my phones now. So very, very useful. I plugged in a 600-watt electric cook pot, which is nice. This could do steaming and stuff, and definitely make ramen noodles easily. But the main thing is to get the water boiling quickly so that I could eat outside if I had to. But of course, I could use my other power tools or even charge a lot of my cordless power tools of this thing just by plugging it into the inverter. And as you can see, it is boiling water pretty quick. It usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes to boil water with this little pot. I love it. I use travel with that pot now, so it's very useful to actually use that with my larger 1,000 to 1,500 100-watt power inverter, so I could cook noodles without having to turn on a flame, or I could just bring my camping stove. But this is pretty neat. This is a test, so I can actually cook stuff using this 600-watt electric pot, as well as my 2,000-watt inverter and my 100-watt solar panel. I'll probably add more solar panels to this, but this is it. This is pretty cool. I could now cook ramen outdoors at my shed. So I'm gonna start mounting this stuff onto my shed and hiding all the wires, and just have even just a 60 amp hour battery. I'm gonna probably change it to a different battery later. Anyways guys, this is Sterling W. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.